Welcome back to the channel, tech fans. We've got something really special to share with you today, something that might just revolutionize how you experience your daily digital life. Are you ready for a monitor that not only looks stunning, but genuinely cares for your well-being? Because today, we're diving deep into the brand new Dell S2725HS 27-inch monitor. And let me tell you, it's more than just a pretty face. First impressions? This monitor, in its sleek ash-white color, immediately elevates any desk setup. But beyond aesthetics, Dell has packed in some serious technology designed to make your long hours in front of the screen significantly more comfortable and productive. Let's talk about eye comfort, a feature I genuinely believe everyone needs. The Dell S2725HS boasts TUV Rheinland Eye Comfort 4-star certification with Dell's improved ComfortView Plus. What does that mean for you? It means significantly reduced harmful blue light emissions without sacrificing color accuracy. Imagine working on a project, streaming your favorite show, or simply browsing, and feeling less eye strain at the end of the day. This isn't just a marketing buzzword. It's a tangible benefit that can lead to better sleep, fewer headaches, and sustained focus. It's truly a game changer for anyone who spends significant time in front of a display. But it's not just about comfort. It's also about what you see. This monitor delivers truly vibrant visuals that pop off the screen. With 99% sRGB color coverage and an impressive 1500:1 contrast ratio, your images, videos, and even text will appear with remarkable clarity and richness. Colors are accurate and lifelike, making it perfect for casual photo editing, enjoying multimedia, or simply appreciating the beauty of your desktop wallpaper. And here's where it gets even better, a 100 Hz refresh rate. If you've been stuck on a standard 60 Hz monitor, preparing to be amazed. Scrolling through web pages, moving your mouse cursor, or even navigating your operating system feels incredibly smooth and fluid. For casual gaming, this higher refresh rate provides a noticeable advantage, making motion clearer and more responsive. It's a subtle upgrade that makes a massive difference in your everyday interaction with the display, bringing everything to life with a newfound fluidity. And speaking of comfort and versatility, let's talk about the ergonomics. Dell truly understands that one size does not fit all. The Dell S2725HS offers a full suite of adjustments. You can tilt it, swivel it, pivot it a full 90 degrees for portrait mode, and, crucially, adjust its height. This means you can perfectly position the screen to match your eye level, reducing strain on your neck and shoulders. Whether you're standing at a convertible desk, sharing your screen with a colleague, or diving into a long document in portrait mode, this monitor adapts to your needs, not the other way around. This level of adjustability isn't just a luxury. It's essential for maintaining good posture and comfort during extended use, transforming your workspace into a truly personalized environment. Beyond these core features, Dell has also integrated re-engineered 2x5W speakers, offering more detailed and spacious audio than previous generations, which is fantastic for decluttering your desk. Plus, with dual HDMI connectivity, switching between your work laptop and a streaming device or game console is absolutely seamless. So, who is this monitor for? It's for anyone seeking a premium, comfortable, and visually stunning display without breaking the bank. It's for students, remote workers, content creators, and casual gamers who value eye health, crisp visuals, and ergonomic flexibility. The Dell S2725HS isn't just a monitor. It's an investment in your well-being and productivity. If you're ready to upgrade your desk setup with a monitor that truly prioritizes your comfort and delivers a fantastic visual experience, you absolutely need to check this out. Don't settle for less when you can have a display that cares for your eyes as much as it delights them. Find the link to the Dell S2725HS in the description below, along with more details and current pricing. Let us know in the comments what your favorite feature is. And if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights.